Downtrend on the YM. We'll plop up into the zone. 16 tick rule. Again, most people should be waiting about 6 minutes to let the market calm down. Bigger traders, bigger account sizes, people who are already consistent as traders, you can trade through the open. Everybody else, you're just being patient. We're waiting a little while to let the market give us a little direction here. For most people, other people, bigger accounts, you can be on the short side. If you've already done it, everybody else, again, just be patient. Larger accounts, more consistent traders, you can take the short. Again, we're thinking this is like an inside day, guys. So we're going to think of this acting like an inside day, most likely. Until what? Until that range has gotten broken. So it's already happened on the YM. YM was just an uptrend, now back to a downtrend. So we're going to see if this acts like a two-way trading day. Stops down a little bit on the YM, guys. Stops down a little bit on the ES if you did it. And again, everybody else, if you're struggling to be consistent, you get 2 trades this morning. That's it. Be patient. Wait for your trade. You're going to get it. You had a very, very nice trade that Wednesday called out prior to the open that you guys should have taken advantage of. And for most people, that should be one of your 2 trades. Everybody else, people that are more consistent, you can trade through this. But again, guys, think about this. You've got to be looking at what's happening on the charts. For the most part, I mean, you had the little push down on the YM, but for the most part, the S is still inside that range. So again, bigger accounts, more consistent traders can be on the short side. Other than that, everybody else, be patient for a little bit. Let it give it a little direction. And there we go. All right. Ready to turn my mic off just in case it doesn't keep working. All right. All right. Again, you guys are on the short side. Now, pretty much have some good direction here, guys. ES hasn't really broken that range, but seeing as YM has, we probably will see that soon on the ES. So again, you can be on the short side, guys, for now. Lock in a few more ticks with your stops. ES gave you a couple chances to get back in. If you didn't get in it, should definitely have targets off. Stops in a no lose situation. And again, like I said, guys, let's go back through the plan. Probably going to see some kind of range today, ranging and then breakouts, ranging and then breakouts. So, what do you got to do, guys? You got to be patient. Those of you that are still working on being consistently profitable, pay attention to me. You get 2 good trades this morning. That's it. And then stop trading. All right, stops down a little bit more. Everybody that's short. Those with permission that had permission to trade the open. Who is in the short position? How many people are in the short position? Following my instructions. Hello? Anybody? Oh, sorry, I forgot to scroll down. When Dave's got it. All right, some of you guys are getting good morning, Sarter. Finally, we got some stuff going on here. Stops down. Probably want to think about tightening your stops up a little bit, coming into a little support, both YMES. Tighten your stops up a little bit. If we break through this, then we're going to call this a trending day. So keep your eyes peeled. Let's move your stops down some, lock in a couple ticks, and stay on the short side for now. Good morning, Coach Low Kev. We got here, Wesley, I agree. Low test on the yes as well. Yep.
Can you hear me?
Hey, there he is.
I'm back. Wow. Okay, that was fun.
That was fun, right? Technology. What a fun thing to
Gotta
deal
love
with.
it.
Morning, Coach Low Kev. Let's have your stops in, guys. Have your stops in. All right, so our stock, I think they're going to crash it until the government shut down. Blah blah blah. Guys, let's really not try to get into our I think this is going to happen mode. Remember what our job is, guys. Follow the market.
Yes, we trade what we see, not what we think.
Bingo. Okay, Lulu. We all like to have them, and we all like to have our opinions. But you know what they say about opinions? Hey, I was gonna say opinions are like armpits. Everybody has them. They stink from time to time.
I was gonna say something else.
Well, no, that's what I normally say.
Ooh, special morning.
Just messing with you, Lulu. But seriously, guys, but we can't get tied to any thoughts. I mean, you can have preconceived notions. You say, I think this is going to happen, but you still have to have that thought process in your mind that I'm not going to get tied to I'm not going to be tied to a outcome from the market ever. Never going to be. That's a new one for you. Assume. My dad used to say that too. It makes an ass out of you and me when you assume things. Staying on the short side, ladies and gentlemen, just having your stops in. More ticks on the stops. See if it pushes through those lows. If it does, guys, yes, it's got a little bit further to go than the YM does. We've definitely broken that range. So both YM, ES. So we're going to stick with that downtrend. All right. So comments, expect a bit of a hangover day. Well, doesn't look like that's happening so far, but we may still see it. Could see narrow ranges. We've had that for a little bit, so we'll see if this continues or we create some type of narrow range. I don't know yet. I'm going to keep in mind that those of you who are yesterday was a big day for a lot of traders. Those of you who are still struggling to be consistent, you get 2 trades. That's it. Be patient, be disciplined, or take the losses. One or the other. I can't have you guys in a day like yesterday with yesterday morning. This really gets under my skin. It bothers me, guys. Stop sounding a little bit more, guys. That's all you got to do. Move your stops down a little bit more. We can't have this as a club. People that are out there trading when everybody is minting money yesterday and 3 people are down big. Can't have that. That hurts me. I don't want to see that as a group of individuals. We are better than this as a club. So please do what I ask you to do. If you're a struggling trader, don't let yourself get down $500. If you have a couple losing trades, manage them, make them small losses, and quit trading for the day.
Yeah.
That's it.
Absolutely.
Be patient. Wait for 2 good setups today. If you didn't take the earlier one from win the day, You haven't had a chance to get in yet. Only traders who have had the privilege to trade through the open are in the short. You're being patient, waiting on your setup. And guys, I'm not going to let that happen again. I'm telling you, don't do it. Don't press the buttons every time I talk through stuff. If
And it
it's
will
not your
come.
trade, not in your plan, do not press a button.
Yeah.
Think about being flat now. Starting to bounce off the bottom, so you probably can squeeze up and start maybe thinking about that. Again, just keep your stops in one or the other. You've got plenty of profits locked in, those that did the short. So, yeah, just keep your stops in one or the other, whatever you want to do. Bouncing off again, both YM, ES, bouncing off a little support area here. Obviously, very clear support for the YM, seeing as it's pretty darn close to previous lows. ES is working on it. There's still some support if you're looking there on the 60, a little bit of support there on the ES. So there's a little horizontal line in there to show you on the ES. A little support right in this area from yesterday through the overnight session. Probably see a little support down here. All right, probably gonna have a little resistance in that area. Same channel as you have on the 15-minute, but there you go. All right, flat on the YM. Good job. Okay. I don't know if the video from yesterday's up yet, guys. We'll double check. It'll be up soon. Don't worry. It'll be up soon. Yeah. Here's the deal, guys. If this rallies both YMES, if it rallies back up, we're gonna go to our original thought process here. A little bit of a hangover day for the markets, which means this is gonna probably act like an inside day. So you can trade from the extremes of the ranges. Probably want to double confirm with an M trade or something like that if you're shorting. At least from a prior swing, 9 tick rule. There's a sell signal on the 9 tick rule. So at least a 16 tick rule from a prior swing. There you go. All right, those who did that, you should have your targets off. If you're late to the party, don't get in late. All right, so you had the 16 tick rule, a 9 tick rule from prior swings on the ES and YM. Anybody grab that and get your targets off? It should be called market conditions. Yes, you got a piece of it. Who else getting a piece on the short side here, guys? Green Jeans got the long, now waiting. Okay. It's going to be a little bit of a two-way trading day. That's fine. Most likely. Again, those lows get broken on the YM. The ES will follow. Squeeze your stops down. Make sure you've locked in whatever profit you want on the short side, guys. Should definitely be in a no-lose situation on your stops, though. Rich, good job. Wesley, good job. Lulu, did you do it, Lulu? Oh, all right. Good job. I'm afraid to turn my mic off and turn it back on. Let's just take a quick audio still works, I'm assuming. All right. Stops down a little bit, worries out. Lock in whatever number of ticks that you have, guys. Make sure that you're in a no lose on the trade. Or think about being flat. It does look like it wants to go back up, so you can think about being flat on it. or just have your stop in a no lose. I like the no lose situation on the stops, guys. Why do I like it? Because you paid yourself to stay in the trade. That's all there is to it. Try and get a little piece of it. Nice. Time for the day. Way to go. Way to go win the day. Way to go. That's how you do it, guys. Win the day, planned ahead, got his 2 good shorts in, walked out of here. That's exactly what I want the rest of you doing, guys. Get your couple good trades in, walk away. Nice job. I'm gonna give you a gong for that. Nice, 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 nice. Win the day, gongs away. Have a great day. Pretend like it's the month of May.
Yeah, I think, you know, and
You
I want
guys
to
need to trade that way.
yeah, okay, keep going. One more.
Staying on the short side, ladies and gentlemen, for now. Staying on the
Yeah.
short side for now.
Good job win the day. I want to give the flip to that. I've been very distracted with obviously the technical stuff and messages and everything. So I've opted not to trade this morning. And that's just the same as, you know, just as important because I could have made a mistake and done something dumb.
Probably would have done something dumb.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm just, you know, that discipline is sticking to that trade plan, right? And part of my rules are if I'm distracted, I don't trade.
Listen to Coach Paul, people.
And it's hard. It's like everyone else. I want to trade. I want to push the button too.
Everybody wants to press the buttons. Nobody wants to do the work to make sure that they have proper planned areas to trade from.
That's right. But good job though, win the day. Discipline. He has his plan down. I like it when the plan comes together.
Time do you consider the overnight session be over? When the US session opens. You know, when price
Okay.
stalls out, usually price will stall out at some point. You know, that 5:37 a.m. range
Yeah,
area. Yeah, 7ish. Price tends to stall out somewhere around there. Again, guys, look at what's going on in the market right now. Watch this. ES. Look at this. Look at this on the ES, guys. Okay. If this isn't enough of a red flag for you to say, let me get my 1 or 2 trades and be done, I don't know what else is. All right. Okay. Got a little bit better, more swings on the YM, but guys, look at what's happening on the YM right now. Exactly what we thought was going to happen. Range, consolidation. So you can have the breakout trade, but if the breakout trades aren't in your trade plan, you're not trading it. Same thing on the ES. This is in our daily plan today. We thought something like this would happen, correct? We looked back and said, okay, well, what did the market tell us it wants to do? wanted to have a little bit of relief from the sell-off, and then create an inside range-bound day. ES is doing that. Choppy. YM's doing it. Choppy. You had the one good push down, and that's it. Bunch of novices with their zealous fingers wanting to press the sell button. I don't know. But you had a little push down. Now you're going to get ranging, choppiness. So are you guys understanding what I'm saying here? Like, please, guys.
Crystal clear.
Somebody other than a coach, please.
Hey, this coach listens.
No. Be patient. Don't touch the. I mean, I know you guys want to trade everything, but look at this. I mean, look at the market and give me direction right now. What are you doing? You're waiting for possibly the market to get back to a swing high, but right now both are just kind of playing around in the middle. YM, ES, both kind of playing around in the middle here, guys. Is that what you want to trade? You guys want to trade there? You guys really want to trade when the market's just chopping around the middle, giving you no direction? Still trend neutral day. We're not going to say it's a downtrend. Still a trend neutral day. Guys, look at it. It's not that really. I mean, the YM gave a little bit of a push down, but bounced right off of that support area and back to choppiness. ES hasn't done anything except for stay in the range that we already thought it was going to be in. Let's chop up a little bit. Then you can possibly look at another short. Possibly. You're really anxious? Put a sell stop in. For like M or something like that. Really anxious? Put a sell stop in. Take that M trade. But you better get your targets off quick. YM form. A little wonky M on the YM. But again, you better get your targets off quick, guys, if you want to do it. And heed my words. I'm sitting here telling you, if you're still struggling to be profitable, that includes you, everybody. Look at yourselves. If you're still struggling to be profitable, this is not the time you're trading. When was your time to trade? Well, ES. Prior swing, 6-9 tick rule. If you didn't get that one, tough luck. M around the open. Oh, maybe you couldn't trade the open, so you didn't get that one. Okay. This is one everyone should have gotten prior to the open. Nice little M setup. It was called out by Win the Day. Everybody should have gotten a piece of that. That's this morning. You've had literally 3 chances, guys, on the ES. That's it. 3 chances. What did I say? 2 trades, and that's it today. Patience is going to pay. Who is listening to the words coming out of my mouth? Again, if you want to have a stop in, you can put the sell stop in. Okay. Aggressive people, bigger accounts can be on this short. Other than that, everybody else needs to be sitting on their hands. If you're already a consistent trader, you can scalp this. If you're, a larger account, you can be in this in a light position on the short side. Other than that, be patient. There's going to be more opportunities. But guys, tell me this was a clean trade. Class yesterday. Here we go. Here's a perfect example. Class yesterday. What do you think, Paul?
Sorry, I'm messaging some people. What was the question?
If you were in class yesterday, you know exactly what we're looking at right now. Fair enough, guys? Everybody in class? Everybody that was in class, say yes. You know why we're having this conversation, guys. You know what? You know it. We just went through this in class yesterday.
Right.
Isn't it convenient that you have a class the day before, a day that's going to be a tough trading day? And the thing we talk about is tough trading conditions in class. Isn't that convenient, really convenient, guys?
Yes, it
I think it
is.
is.
Yes, that class yesterday was very, very impressive. Good stuff.
Every week we're going to build, guys. So next week is going to build on everything we've done past 6 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks.
Next level stuff.
We're taking everybody. Yeah, the next few weeks are really going to be next level stuff, guys. So get your big boy and girl pants on, do your homework assignments, go back and make sure you watch all the videos from the previous 6 weeks. Those that are in the elite program, watch all the videos from the past 6 weeks. Those that took to short on the M trade, targets off now. All right. Anybody bigger accounts, more consistent already? Or if you did it in Sim, I'm okay with it. If you did the trade in Sim and you're still struggling to be consistent, I'm okay with that as well. So did anybody do this short on the M there? Anybody grab a piece of the short? All right, Westy. I know you know what you're doing, so good job. Anybody else? Graham Green, you know what you're doing. Good job. Take your targets off. Move your stops to a no lose. Your homework is to go back and watch all of those videos. And the class from yesterday will be up soon on the website, so you'll have that by tomorrow. For your viewing pleasure, probably by this afternoon, I would imagine. Wild guess. All right, you guys are flat on that. And again, look, guys, you know, a little long signal coming out of the zone on the ES. Still ranging on the YM. All right, so what is it? Let's go back to our plan, right? Expect a bit of a hangover day for the markets. I would say for the ES, this checks every box on a hangover day, wouldn't you guys? And other than that one little push on the YM, that pretty much checks every box on kind of an inside hangover day. Would you guys agree on that? Yes or no? We're just going to go through the list here. Okay. All right. We got a yes on that one. Yep. All right. Could be narrow ranges with few breakouts. Are we seeing that? Narrow ranges, few breakouts. Check. Correct. All right. So what does that mean? You're going to get a few opportunities. So patience is going to pay today. There's your breakout. See how that works, guys? Narrow range, breakout on the YM. Range, breakout on the ES. So bigger traders are still short. And there's nothing I can do about it. Don't get FOMO. I'm telling you guys, there's going to be people I'm going to ask right now who's short, and there's going to be 5 or 6 people say yes, they're short. Some other people are going to get FOMO and try to jump in late, right? And that's the thing I don't want you guys doing today. Let the market just you know, bigger. Think about it like this: if you can't put a stop up here on the ES and have your sell stop here, this is a trade you can't take. If you can't put a stop at what, 31, 32, let's call it 32, and your sell stop be at 22, that's 10 points to get into this short. That's not a trade you can take, right? And then Lulu, you do this in Sim. Now we can think Crable today, probably. That's a good thought. Crable will work, actually. Most likely, Crable will work. Same thing on the YM, guys. Got to have your stop up here. Sell stop goes down here. All right, we got a few people on the short side. Let's bring your stops down a little bit more. Everybody else, just be patient. You're going to get your chances, guys. I'm not trying to keep you guys out of trades today, but by gosh, after such a good week that we've had so far, why risk the capital? Preserve that precious capital, people. Preserve it. Don't get FOMO just because the market moves 5 points on the ES and 50 ticks on the YM. Go ahead, Paul.
No, I was just getting back on. I'm
Now you
listening
guys
to-
can look at the Crable, guys. I mean, for real. So if you know how to trade the Crable, you could do that. Trade the Crable. If you don't know how to trade the Crable, we're not going to post the numbers today because I don't want you doing it.
Yeah.
Is that fair, Paul?
Crable's.
All right. So those of
Yeah.
you who know how to trade the Crable, go ahead and do it.
You're
Everybody
right.
else, you're still on the short side.
Just know your risk is a little high on that Crable. Be careful.
The risk is pretty high today, but if you know how to do it. Nope, not giving numbers today because I don't want people don't know how to do it. Now, here's what I want you doing today, Lulu. In Sim, not in one of your funded accounts, in Sim, start trading those areas that you marked off.
Yeah.
Get yourself comfortable, get yourself back into rhythm. All right, Lulu? Don't do it in one of your active accounts. Thank you. Thank you. Somebody's going to listen to me today. If I can get one person to listen to me, it's a success today. We won. Little W forming on the bottom side here. But you guys can just keep your stops in. Be flat on the W, whatever you want to do. YM, you're probably flat already. Or you left your stop in the no lose, one or the other. We're going to keep our eye on this low here. Let's throw a little swing point. That YM area. Here we go. Tell me this is not doing exactly what we thought we'd do today. Chop, breakout, chop, breakout, chop, breakout. Right, guys? Look at the ES. Chop, breakout, chop, breakout. It's exactly what we said was going to happen in our game plan. So the only thing you can do is have your sell stops in and your stop ready to go. Buy stops or sell stops. It's the only thing you can do. Or stay away from it if you're not already in the trade. So those that are short, just have your stop in. YM gave you another little chance, but not quite overbought stochastics. So again, you can have your chop and your breakouts. The zone the YM's battling with is a real one, considering the fact that it is truly support. Please don't get FOMO, people. Don't get it. Don't get FOMO.
Be patient.
Everybody that is short, stay short, though. For now, not forever. Thank you for the help, Coach Hugo. Thank you. If the ES wants to follow the YM, you've got a little bit of room on the downside here. So just stay on the short side on the ES for now, guys. Stay on the short side for now on the ES. YM, you should still be in the short side, so it's okay. Stops down just a couple more ticks. So stay in a little short side on the YM. I mean, the YM is battling with that daily support that was made. So if you got back in on the YM, get those targets off. Make sure that you've got your stop at a no lose. So if you got back in on the rally, some people are doing that. I know they are. Make sure your stop's in the no lose. You're taking your targets off. Yes. Just lock in the number of ticks you want to have locked in. And you've got, if you're looking over here at the 60-minute, you've got a little bit of space for it to possibly go down a little bit more. So you could probably get a maybe I think that's a little bit of a stretch right now, but maybe you get down to 12. Maybe. Looks like we got quite a few people showing up on trial. Those of you on trial, we're gonna kind of go through some things here in a minute with you. Might as well do it now. Be honest with you.
I was going to say, you got some time. So you're sitting there trying to tell people to be patient.
I'm excited about one thing. We also actually have a guest coming to the boot camp.
Uh-oh.
Professional film study person for professional athletes to talk about how to look at replays. That's gonna be pretty cool.
Nice.
It's gonna be really cool, I think.
Very nice. Yeah, looking forward to boot camp. It's going to be awesome. Change some lives.
Changing some lives.
Good job, Lulu.
43.
17.
Way to do some studying. Staying short, both ESYM. Nothing you can do right now. Just stay on the short side, those that are short. Thank you for doing homework, Lulu. That will help you tremendously in the long run. So chopping on the ES, all you got to do, guys, is stay short. Those that got short. One breakout trade. Maybe you could do a couple more ticks down now on the ES. 19 looks pretty good. Staying a little short on the YM. If this breaks, guys, now everybody needs to be short, probably.
Yeah. It's going.
Now everybody needs to be short, probably. Find a place. More ticks on the stops. You'll get your chances. Everybody just be patient. Everybody that's not short, just be patient. Couple more ticks on the stops here, guys. I think 1750s, it's a little tight. 1775 on the ES. Still staying on the short side. Maybe 835 on the YM. Staying on the short side. Lulu, reach out to the main number and see if we can get that coordinated for you. there's somebody around your area. Be a better list. We'll know who and where, who's coming from where. I don't know who's coming from where. Here we go. Now you start thinking about either being flat, having your stop still in place here, guys. Same for the YM. Stop should have been hit. Get a chance to get back in, maybe. Remember, we talked through this yesterday, guys. Clear daily support. The day ended both YM and ES. Why'd that line disappear on me too?
Again today? All your lines gone?
We found that daily support, right, guys? Yesterday, right around this area. Little daily support area here, guys. So below that, there should be a little bit of room to run down. Still back on the short side. Staying on the short side, guys. Markets had a little pop up. Give you a little chance to get back in on the short side. If you got out. So you can get targets off again. Do it again. But you told me to stay out of this trade, and everybody's getting a runner. Oh no. I'd rather you guys be safe than sorry.
I chose safe this morning.
Yeah.
I'm happy. And I'm happy.
Be happy with it, guys. Be happy with it. I cannot have another day where everybody's minting money and people are hitting their daily and we got 3 people hitting their daily stop loss
Right.
and exceeding it and chasing trades. That's not how we do things, guys. You guys know that. It's just not how we do things. You guys, those that did it, you know who you are. Please don't do it again today. That is not professionalism. That's not being a professional trader. Everybody's staying on the short side. Staying on the short side. For now, not forever. For now.
Where's old Boss Hog today?
Oh, he's got some meetings he had to deal
Attend.
with. I think they're like like there's no internet. They're redoing all the
I know he was
cable, I think.
dealing with that yesterday. Kind of like what they were doing for you.
Yeah. Although I mean here it was seamless. I mean it just went like
You only had one outage, right?
that I know of.
Yeah.
They did some stuff in the evenings though, so there may have been a couple more glitches that I didn't know about. Pretty darn seamless. It's still staying on the short side. Everybody that was short, still short, right, guys? Or got back in short? Yes. Everybody that was in it, still in it, or got back in it?
So,
all right, good job. And trial people are like, you only have one person trading. And I'm to the trial people, I'm gonna say we had a blockbuster day yesterday.
Yeah, we had a killer day
You know what?
yesterday.
Here, let's do this. A couple things, guys. So let's do it on the ES. Most trial people on the ES charts. We'll do it real quick while you guys are short, being patient. Do a real quick orientation type of session, I guess, if you will. So those of you on trial, please log into libertytradingclub.com. libertytradingclub.com. You're going to go into the members area. When you log in, you're going to have the main trade room. You're going to be able to use the Liberty Toolkit for, I believe, a week. Correct, Coach Hugo? I believe they can use it for a week. So you can use our Liberty Toolkit for a week. That includes the zones and sell signals we get from our range chart and zones. We get those. Keep in mind, guys, and we have some videos available for you, those of you on trial. So watch those videos, log in, watch the videos. They give you an idea of what we're looking for. Everybody else, keep in mind, this is going to be changing from the pro training room to the 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday member meetup and trade review. So it'll be a trade review, member meetup and trade review Monday through Thursday. Elite training people, obviously that will not change. And then, guys, read your books. Read the books. They're there for you. They will help. We do have a tax consultant. So he works, I think his group is pretty much national. So it doesn't really matter where you're at in the country. They do our taxes. They do a bunch of our members' taxes. They do a great job with it. And you guys should click on members, click on the affiliate program. If you love us as much as you say you love us, make
Tell a
some money
friend.
doing it. Tell a friend.
Tell
You
a
get your own
friend.
code. You get your own link. You get to see who signs up. You get to see what you've made. I think we have it set up so something like six people pays for your monthly membership, something like that.
Not to mention, we get the word out. We don't want to be the best kept secret in town.
Definitely don't want to be.
We want
Yeah, there you go,
everybody
Bob.
to know about us. And
Boot camp. So use your affiliate link. It's there for you guys. Scroll to the bottom. Use it.
get paid.
Earn some money. Give back to us. Give back to us since we give to you a lot for at a very cheap cost. Members, you know that.
Help us spread the word.
Read the books, do the tax consulting, and watch the videos. Watch the videos over and over and over and over and over again. I know it's going to be monotonous, but there's going to be a situation that's going to arise like this morning where Win the Day said, hey, look at this video. This is a video that was recorded almost 2 years ago. And you know what? Is it still relevant today?
Absolutely.
Eddie? Thank you, Eddie. I don't know what Eddie's saying thanks for. I was showing you through the website. Yeah, trial people, please log in. Yeah, okay. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Please log in. Well, there wasn't much to do right then while everybody's being short and they had their stops in. So I figured that was a good time to go through it and let you guys know what to do. Now you got a little bit of a rally. So, guys, those that are anxious to get your 1 or 2 good trades in, be patient. You can have a sell stop in. You can trail it up as if you were long. You could be on the long side now, too, for those that are aggressive traders, because, again, still, we're not going to go back away from that inside type of day until we see those lows get broken and stay broken. So inside trading day until then, guys. In a zone on the ES, so you could possibly look at that with a sell stop, guys. Looking at getting close to a prior swing on the YM, so you could, again, just put a sell stop in. Be patient. There's no need to be right into a trade right now unless you're on the long side. All right. So any questions, you guys, again, those of you on trial, please make sure to log in to libertytradingclub.com, go through the stuff we just did. Members, use your link, get the word out, share it with people, put it on your Facebook page for me, please. Put your link on your Facebook page. At least your Insta Twittergram.
Mr. Twittergram.
Insta Twittergram.
It's the Twitter tick.
What is the other one?
TikTok.
Oh yeah.
It's the Twitter talk.
Insta Twitter talk. There you go. That's it. Insta Twitter talk.
Actually, it's not Twitter anymore. It's X.
X. Why does he like to have everything as X?
I don't know. TikTok.
All right. Maybe, just maybe, just a second, you guys could possibly start looking for that sell signal, but give it just a second longer. Be patient here. Just watch these price swing highs on the YM. If you get a little bit of an M to form, then you might want to take a look at that. Price swing highs on the YM. Zone on the ES. That zone's been working tremendously. So no reason why it might not work again. So if you get a little M to form, just pull your sell stop up here. Be ready for that. Or a 9-tick rule. You might want to take a look at that. YM, you could possibly start taking a look at it now. Back to the prior swings.
Zorro.
What's that?
Green jeans. What are you posting?
Zorro. That's funny. What are you guys looking for? What is the letter of the alphabet you're looking for?
Before
There's a letter you're looking for, an M. You want an M. All right. Here's the deal. M trades are the name of the game today, too. Why? Why are M trades the name of the game today? Anybody want to know? Why is it M trade? M and W's are gonna be the name of the name.
Try that again.
There's my one time, Paul.
Try that again.
Try that one more time, buddy. Why are M's and W's the name of the game today, guys? Range? That's a good reason. I keep it more simple than that. Downtrend? No. We're technically we're in a downtrend, but still inside day, right? Rich, we're still in a downtrend, but technically it's inside day, so we kind of count inside days as being trend neutral, okay? Inside day, that could be it. I haven't had my lunchtime margarita yet.
Not just yet.
Why? What's Brian's simple reason why M's and W's are the name of the game today? I've said this many times. Really, really stupidly simple reason. Not even that it's inside range bound day. Because somebody coaches anybody. Come on, guys. What's my
Because
dumb
they
reason?
have
You
been
guys have heard.
working.
Hey, there you go.
They've been working.
How about
today.
that, guys? Is that simple enough for you?
Waiting to see someone
Alex,
else would say.
Rich, Lunatic, Rick, anybody? Lulu? Is that simple enough for you guys? It does. Everybody looks at everybody's like trading can't be that simple. It can't
Actually
be that
can
freaking
be.
simple, guys.
Yeah.
Look at the ES. You just trade them. Trade them in Sim, Lulu. Do what I told you to do. Trade them in Sim. Look, W worked. Look, M worked. M worked. W worked. M worked. M worked. They've been working. YM. M, probably going to work. W, worked. M, worked. M, worked. Okay, that was 9:30. We'll skip past that one. M, worked. W, worked. There you go. Because they've been working. There you go. There's your M on the YM working. Somebody catching a piece of that on the YM? Yes, coming up soon. This trade's brought to you by the all new line of Ford electric vehicles. Found on road dead.
Good. You're not a Ford guy?
I know, that's why I just said found on road dead. That's the old. You never heard that?
Oh yeah. I just know you're not
Hey,
a
you
Ford
guys.
guy.
You guys are getting a piece of it. Get your targets off. Move your stops to a no lose, whatever that is for you. So if you took a target off at 10 ticks on the YM, then you're probably at 2 or 3 ticks behind your entry on the YM. Yes. If you got your targets off, you're probably somewhere around this area or flat on the ES. Now, with the ES popping up like that, you might want to squeeze your stops a little bit more on the YM, at least maybe be at break even now. ES still in a no lose. ES loves to take those stops, guys. That's why we trade multiple contracts on the ES. 3 contracts, get 2 targets off. That way you can leave your stop relaxed. You should still be in the short on the ES. Now your stop can go down to, you guys know this, right? Every time. Go through this every week. 24 is probably a good stop on the ES. YM, get your stop down to 8, what is that? 863, it looks like. 64. Yes, tries to take your stops, guys. We know that, don't we? So this is why we get 2 contracts off on the ES. 2 contracts off. That way you can leave that last contract relaxed and slowly move it down with the price action. All right, who's catching a piece on the ES? Good deal, guys. You guys know how to trade this on the ES. If you pulled your stop too tight, that's on you. You guys know how to do this. We go through this in class. If you don't know how to do this, get in the elite class. I'm going to be that direct with you today. Get in the freaking elite class. It's not like we charge you an arm and leg for it. It's cheap. If you don't know how to manage this trade and still be in it and making more profits, figure out a way to get in class. We'll work with you. Stay in the short side, guys, on the ES. Maybe stop a couple more ticks. Stay on the short side with the ES. YM. Bring your stops down to where's Jackson? Jackson, you joining us? Or are you done today? 8:52 looks like a good stop on the YM. 8:52. All right, you guys are still in on the YM as well, right? Everybody still in? I think we had like 4 or 5 people, 6 people in the YM. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got like 8 people in the YM. All right, good job. A couple more ticks on the ES stop. Just a couple more ticks, guys. Now, trial people should be impressed with this, I would think. If you're not, I don't know what else we can do for
What
you.
else we can do for you at that point?
2250. 2250 is probably a decent
Cannot
stop
help
on the ES. Staying short, ladies and gentlemen. This is what patience gets for you. See, told you guys you get your one or 2 trades in this morning. Just got to be patient. A couple more ticks on that YM stop. Jackson, are you doing this, or is Jackson gone? Jackson made his money this morning, and Jackson doesn't trade choppy markets either.
Oh, I saw him here this morning.
640,
Oh,
844.
there he is. Yeah, he's done.
You're already done. I knew it. Here, and I'm telling you, I don't think I've ever talked to Jackson personally. I just know I've seen him trade a long time. Jackson's done for the day because he doesn't like the chop in the market. It's not a lot of clear direction. Is that correct, Jackson? Oh, you went to breakfast. All right. Never mind then.
Next best thing.
Next best thing. A couple more ticks. That's probably a little tight on the ES. 21.75 is probably a good one on the ES. YM, you can come down a couple more ticks on your stop. Possibly look at 837. Good stop on the YM. ES makes a new low here. Then you'll be able to move your stop down. I was just about to brag on you, Jackson, and say you're not trading. You don't trade choppy markets, so you're probably got done early and off to the races. Possibly flat on the ES. You'll get another chance at entry. YM, I don't think it took your stops. Did it take your stops on the YM? I don't think so. It's probably going to now, so you guys can probably think about just leave your stop there on the YM if you're not out. Yes, you might get a second chance. Nope, now you're flat. There you go. That's our 10:30. Wait, hold a second. We didn't really have 10:30 crude oil inventories. That's it, really?
Yeah, I think that's all that's going on.
All right.
So trade the news.
Now, those of you who that was your first trade of the day and you followed my instructions, you might want to think about that being your only trade of the morning and finish green. Because now is about the time where I'm going to ask if anybody needs any help. And I'm not going to yell at you guys. I got a little aggressive this morning. But those of you who those few of you who went off the reservation yet, got a little bit of M starting to form here. I'm not telling you guys to take it. Again, I really think on the ES, you got a little bit of M back in that range. Really think if that was your trade, guys, you're done. Be done. Be done for the morning, guys. Market's not giving a lot of clear direction. Look at it. Tell me. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. We're technically in a downtrend. Can't break through any support levels. Bouncing off the zone on the YM 3 times now. ES coming back up to where it started. Hanging around above the 5-period moving average. We got wicks everywhere on the ES. YM, ES are kind of out of sync. There's the M. If you really want to take another chance at it, guys, there's your M. YM, ES, both got an M there if you really want to take another chance at it. But this one's on you if you try to do it, not on me. The last one I called and said, yep, it's a good chance at it. This one, I don't know. You got a coin flip on this one.
That's a lot of mess right here.
Yeah, don't screw with it now, guys. Be patient. I mean, would you rather have – that's the 4th opportunity today. That's it. 4 chances with the trend. I think that's enough for a day like today, guys. Would anybody agree? You guys still want to play with the chop? You guys still want to no, but I need a runner on a day like today. You're not going to get a freaking runner today. Shut up.
What? Oh, that's great.
You got everybody got their runner.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us for live trade calls in our trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for a 3-day trial. During your trial with us, you'll have access to our trade room for live trade calls and participation in chat to have questions answered by our coaches. We also give you access to our training modules, indicators, and live classes. After your 3-day trial, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Visit libertytradingclub.com and please like, subscribe, and share.